Hello friends, good afternoon. So finally, today is the D-Day in my life. Something I wanted to do for the last so many years. My passion, my love, mediation. I always wanted to write a book and I got this opportunity in the pandemic time. COVID-19 has taught me many things and has also made me a good writer. I believe so. And today Mr. Nariman is going to launch my book. Because of the pandemic and COVID-19 times, I could not do the physical launch. So I'm at Sir's house and I've been privileged that he is launching my book. And I want all of you to read it and give me your comments.
I hope that this book will produce more responsible mediators in the country, and I'm sure they will after reading your book.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And now some of my seniors who have given their views, which matters a lot, and their recommendation, not only in the book but also some small bites. Do hear them.
Nandini's hard work is now a reality. I have this small, crisp book in my hand, which I think will go a long way in helping people understand mediation. Mediation is today the requirement of the day. With the overburdened docket of all the courts, I think it's a valuable tool for every regular practitioner of law. I had an occasion to see the book earlier, and I have also written a preface in this book. In fact, the preface by Shri F.S. Nariman, the renowned lawyer, is also worth reading. I wish all the success to Nandini and request her to keep writing on other subjects. Thank you and God bless.
It is an issue of appreciation and recognition that members of our fraternity, one busy practitioner like that being Nandini Gore, the author of this book, have decided to devote time to other public interest causes like mediation, but not merely public interest causes. Mediation is a technique which is subject neutral. It affects the foundations of administration of justice, and it attacks in a positive manner the ABCD of litigation, whereas I have said in the comments on the book, A stands for access, B for backlog, C for cost, and D for delay. That being so, the more lawyers like Nandini Gore start paying attention to these techniques, start getting an expertise, and then more importantly, disseminating that technique selflessly to others, the better it is for the profession, for the litigant, for the affected party. It is heartening to note that in India now, this is growing. A new bill is in the offing to give mediation a stronger foundations.
I often wondered what each of my partners would do with the spare time they found in the lockdown. I was not surprised to see that Nandini had utilized this time to write on what in recent times has become her favorite subject in the law, namely mediation. She has in fact acquired quite a skill and experience in that field, and I was very happy to see the byproduct of that is that in the lockdown she produced this book. It's called A Handbook on Mediation, and when you go through it you find that it is an easy read for both the lawyer and the layman alike. It gives you a holistic view of a subject which is today a very topical one. Now that Nandini has put her hand to writing, I'm sure that we will see many books coming from her pen. I wish her all the best.